Is your Volvo infotainment system stuck on the loading screen? You're not alone. This issue, common in models like the XC90, XC60, S90, and V90, is often due to software glitches. But don't worry, there are several DIY fixes you can try before heading to the dealership. First, perform a hard reboot by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears the RAM and restarts the system. If that doesn't work, the next step is clearing the system cache. While accessing the cache clearing function directly may require hidden menus or diagnostic tools, this removes temporary data that can slow the system down and cause loading loops. Remember, Volvo has been actively releasing over-the-air updates to address these issues, especially in 2025 with version 2.15.1. Make sure your car is connected to Wi-Fi to receive these updates automatically. These updates include stability features like automatic cache management and improved boot sequences, and can significantly reduce the frequency of loading issues. If Reboot and Cache Clear don't resolve the issue, ensure your infotainment system has the latest software update from Volvo. OTA updates are ideal. For older models pre-2022, hardware limitations might prevent complete resolution via software alone. In such cases, official Volvo support suggests professional diagnostics for persistent problems, as hardware faults like faulty NVMe SSDs can mimic software issues. Looking ahead, Volvo is integrating AI-driven infotainment for predictive maintenance and smoother interfaces. Cloud-based syncing will reduce reliance on local storage, minimizing cache-related freezes. The future involves autonomous update cycles with zero downtime patching, potentially leveraging 5G. However, cybersecurity concerns will necessitate stricter update protocols, making proactive maintenance crucial. Remember to check Volvo owner forums for community-sourced tips, such as accessing hidden service menus to clear the cache.